So let's take a look at the PlayStation 5 Slim. We'll show you what came in the box and we'll take a closer look at the console. So first off, of course, we got our paperwork, the safety guide, promotional materials, quick start guide was all in there. As well, this is the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 bundle, so I did get the redemption code, which is on the back. And then we got several different cables. Of course, we got our power cable, so this plugs in on the back there, and of course that plugs into your wall or power bar. We did get a high-speed HDMI cable, so that's HDMI to HDMI. We also got a USB-C to USB-C charge cable for our controller. And of course our DualSense Wireless Controller. This one's the white color. Now these have rechargeable battery packs in them. It's USB-C for charging. You've got the big kind of touchpad up here. These are very comfortable. There's a microphone built in. All the buttons. These PlayStation 5 controllers, or PlayStation controllers in general, have always been my favorite, and they're really high quality, very comfortable. And of course we've got our feet here for the bottom of the console. I'll show you where those go in a moment, and that's so that your console can lay horizontally and be supported. Now the console itself has a two-tone kind of white to it. It's got the matte on this area here, and then kind of the piano gloss finish up there, really shiny. You've got the PlayStation logo kind of embedded into the plastic up here in the corner. Kind of a cutout slot right there. Now on the front of it, you've got your power button right here. Two USB-C charging ports for your controller, and as well as your disk drive here. There's the ejection button. Really futuristic look to that. Glossy there. And this drive is actually removable as well. Down at the bottom, PlayStation logo. Now, if you do want to remove this, be very careful you don't break the clips, but it does pop up like that. You can take the cover off, and then your drive lifts out here as well, just like that. So if you do want to remove that and not use it, new covers I'm sure will come along in the future that you can put on here to make it a really slim PlayStation 5. Now in the groove here, this is where those horizontal feet go. So there's two of them in there, and they just slide into the little slots in there like that. They're kind of rubberized feet on there. And that allows the console to sit flat on your table or desk, so there's no rocking to it. It's nice and stable there. And let's have a look at the back of the console here as well. So lots of venting on the back. We've got our HDMI connection, a LAN connection if you are doing a wired connection, two USB Type A ports, as well as your power connection right there. And that's a closer look at the new PlayStation 5 Slim console. A fair bit smaller than the original PlayStation 5. I really like the futuristic kind of curvy look to it, as well as the two-tone white here and the little PlayStation cutout. Looks really sharp. It'll be awesome in your entertainment center. And of course, the PlayStation DualSense Wireless Controller.